Are you having trouble uploading APK file types to your WordPress media library? By default, WordPress doesn't allow APK uploads due to security concerns since APK files can potentially contain malicious or executable code. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. In this step-by-step tutorial, you'll learn how to safely upload an APK file to WordPress using a plugin. Navigate to Plugins. Add New. Search for Upload Any MIME Types. Navigate to Upload Any MIME Type plugin. Install and activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you will be redirected to the Upload Any MIME Type settings page. You can now enable APK file type simply by toggling the switch on. Or search for APK file type in the search bar and press the toggle button to enable it. Go back to the WordPress media library and upload the APK file type. Your APK file will now be successfully uploaded without prompting any error messages.